Hello, guys.
Hello, I'm Johnny.
I'm Julie.
We are
The Parsons RV Journey. Okay. There's the gas pump. We got 100 in it yesterday, and now we're getting another 100 in it today because we found it cheaper. So far we've got $90 and over 33 gallons in there. That's a pretty good. It's 265. 269. Sorry, I thought it was 265. It's 269 a gallon, and it's giving us a good bit. So we might be able to go, I don't know, 350 miles on $100, maybe, just maybe. There's Johnny Parsons out there pumping it. See what we end up getting. Puppy sees a jogger. No, girl. All right, $100, 37 gallons. There we go. Okay, hey guys, so we are in Florida. We made it okay. Sang at a church yesterday in Plant City, Florida. And now we are, we stayed there overnight. They had Wi-Fi and power. But we decided we needed to go to Walmart, and so now we're headed to the state park. We're booked tomorrow and the next night, but we're going to see if they have any walk-in spots. Some of the state parks, if you walk in, they have a few spots reserved for people that walk in. But anyway, so we're going to go see if they have any walk-in spots, and if they do, that's where we're going to be tonight. Although we may have to swap spots tomorrow depending on what they have available. So this place is called Hillsborough State Park in Florida. So we got here at Hillsborough State Park. They told us to come around 1 and there might be a spot open for walk-in, but I'm not sure because look at what's in front of us, so we'll just have to see. Maybe these people have a reservation. I don't know. But if not, we'll go boondock somewhere tonight. We're not, we're okay with that, right?
Yeah.
We have to.
Yeah, we
Yeah.
can live at Walmart if we need to.
We can, yes, we can. Wouldn't prefer to, but we can do it. We can do what we need to do. So
Puppy wouldn't care,
we'll see.
you know.
Yeah,
The
puppy don't.
The
She
puppy
don't care.
care.
She don't care where we
Do you,
park.
Gracie? Gracie
As
Ann?
long as she gets her SNACK,
Right.
she's okay.
She's good.
So yeah, let's just see what happens. Okay, so guys, we were able to get a walk-in spot here at Hillsborough River State Park. And this is kind of a neat little community. It's a state park, but they have coffee. I think it's on Thursday mornings. They have camper coffee, and then they also have a potluck on Wednesday nights. So I think that's pretty cool that that they do that. It's kind of like a real little community. So. But anyway, usually don't find that at state parks, but I think that's pretty cool. So we got a spot. We'll be here for the next 3 days.
Okay, you got 5? Okay, that's an open property.
This property is
You
looking
wanna buy
for
it?
a buyer.
Is there any more?
Will it be you?
already own one, so it'd probably be a good idea to get it.
Yeah, I'll get it. So hey guys, we were able to get a spot, as you can see. Been here for 3 nights, and now we are getting ready. We're doing a little walk before we get ready to pack up and head out. I'm gonna stay here for a minute because it's shaking. But anyway, so we were able to get a spot, and the first night our power went out. First night.
Yeah, first night the power went off twice.
Yep. And so
But the second and third night
night
was
was
okay,
fine.
but I think it was because there wasn't anybody else on our circuit.
yeah, because the main was on our lot.
Yeah.
So anyway, we had a good few days here. Bad storm came through last night, but everything's fine. So we're getting ready to pack up and leave and head back to the Panhandle, and we'll catch up with you guys later. And if you're still breathing,
There is still hope.
there's still hope. Okay, bye-bye, Gracie.